I will not stop until they stop sending. I just got another one here. It's a nice product that I got to make a review. This is a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, and it's a mini vacuum cleaner, and I'm telling you, this is one of those that I've been looking forward to get. It's a mini vacuum cleaner that will go to hard to reach areas. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and those who have already subscribed, stay tuned, like this video and share it. If you want to check this product, make sure you check on the description. There will be a link where you can buy this as a mini vacuum cleaner, and you can charge it using a C-type charger just like that of Android phones, and get it charged, and boom. Let me show you how to assemble it. Make sure you get your handy daddy manual there, and assemble these gadgets together like the following. Everything here is straightforward. You see those notches on the side, just need to line it properly and clockwise turn, and it's gonna lock in place, something like this there. So they say it's a 2-in-1. That means you can suck the dirt and you can blow the dirt. Some of these items that were not clear on the little manual there, so I had to figure it out. So here we go. That is the extension of the vacuum side, and the little brush there to agitate the dirt. It goes in just like that. You just slide it in there. And this little vacuum cleaner is not gonna pick up heavy dirt, but all the tiny dirt that collect in hard to reach areas, it will do the magic, and I'll show you here in a little bit. So this little adapter, I believe, goes here on the back. That way you can adapt the extension, and this is just gonna blow on the back there. It doesn't hold a little good, so I'm not sure about how to use the blow part of it unless you hold it like that. There we go. At least it's good for blowing dirt on the vents of the car. Again, when you receive a new product like this, always charge it up first before you start using it. That way you can maximize its capacity. So like I said, hard to reach areas, small dirt, it will pick up nicely. As you can see, it's picking up stuff. And then you add the little brush there. That way you can go scrubbing off some dirt, at the same time picking them up. This is if you like doing the outer detailing for your car. And this is a multi-purpose vacuum cleaner, so you can use it in different ways, maybe in your office, in your car, and name other place. Some of the big debris they won't be able to pick up, or probably they won't go through the little brush there, but all the small loose dirt it will pick up right off. So you can see how much I've collected with this little machine. And cup holders, this is another light good spot that you need this vacuum cleaner, and it's not that expensive. Make sure you check on the description, the link, and it's gonna show you how much it is. Collecting dirt on the chair, in between the chair, the seat on your car. Once it run out of the charge, it's easy to charge. You can also charge it in your car, and I'm going to show you how I did it here. So you just connect it to a Type-C charger, just like that, and there is an indicator there. That red writing indicates that it's charging. So you can compare it with a shop vac. Shop vac is a bigger machine. That one will pick up big dirt, but it is what it is. Good for its value price, hard to reach areas. It's not gonna do the same job like the shop vac, but it does what's needed to be done. Once it's fully charged, it will turn blue light, or turn from red to blue, indicating that is now fully charged. And there it is, the mini vacuum cleaner. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to check on the description, the link where you can buy one. Also, don't forget to subscribe.